Have you ever pondered the thought that corals, vibrant and intricate, are not just underwater decorations, but are living organisms teeming with life? Indeed, these fascinating creatures are the unsung heroes of our oceans. Corals are marine invertebrates within the class Anthozoa. They typically live in compact colonies of many identical individual polyps. Coral species include the important reef builders that inhabit tropical oceans and secrete calcium carbonate to form a hard skeleton. Each coral polyp, a tiny soft-bodied organism, relates to sea anemones and jellyfish. At their base is a hard, protective limestone skeleton called a calicle, which forms the structure of coral reefs. Reefs begin when a polyp attaches itself to a rock on the seafloor, divides, and creates more polyps. But why are these seemingly simple organisms important? Corals are much more than just fascinating underwater spectacles. They play a vital role in the marine ecosystem. They provide food and shelter to a vast array of creatures such as fish, mollusks, and even some species of sharks. Corals also protect coastlines from storms and erosion, and they play a crucial role in the carbon and nitrogen cycle of the environment. Additionally, they are a source of potential medicines, offering treatment possibilities for many of the world's most prevalent and dangerous illnesses and diseases. Corals are indeed the treasure troves of our oceans, providing resources and services worth billions of dollars each year. Despite their importance, corals are in grave danger. They face numerous threats, primarily from climate change, pollution, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices. Rising sea temperatures cause corals to bleach, a stress response where corals expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn completely white. If the water temperature doesn't return to normal, the coral will die. Pollution is another significant threat. Oil spills, pesticides, and plastic waste harm corals by blocking the sunlight they need for photosynthesis. Overfishing disrupts the balance of the coral reef ecosystem, leading to the overgrowth of algae and making it harder for corals to survive. Now, to encapsulate the key points discussed, corals are living organisms that are part of the class Anthozoa. They are essential to our marine ecosystems, providing food, shelter, protection to coastlines, and even potential medicines. However, they face major threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Our understanding and appreciation of corals are crucial in this era. It's high time we recognize the importance of these marine powerhouses and the role they play in our world.